And this is new tonight. An adult who lives in Douglas County has died from hantavirus. State health leaders want to be very clear. This case has no connection to the cruise ship outbreak you've been hearing about for the better part of a couple of weeks now. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Phil Lipoff.
I'm Alexandra Lewis. The state health department says this is a different strain, one that we've seen in Colorado before. 9 News reporter Colton Chavez is here with those details. Colton, what did you learn today?
Well, Alex, it's a pretty rare virus, but the reason that we're hearing about this death tonight is because it's likely because of that cruise ship outbreak concerning a strain that can spread from person to person. Now, the state health leaders want you to know what killed this Douglas County resident is a very different strain. Now, it's called hantavirus hantavirus. Colorado's actually had it recorded, 132 cases of it since 1993. 47 of those were fatal. Now, there were 4 cases in Colorado in 2025 alone, and prior to the Douglas County death, the most recent death recorded was in 2024. Now, state health departments say preliminary evidence suggests the latest case came from local exposure to rodents. Now, unlike the Andes virus, which is linked to that cruise ship, the hantavirus virus cannot spread person to person. In Colorado, it's actually deer mice that are the most common source, and spring and summer are peak season for the virus. Now, 9 News medical expert told us that it comes from rodent droppings, and you have to follow specific steps when you clean it up.
What the CDC recommends is that you ventilate the area for about 30 minutes before you even get started. Then you spray it with a solution of at least 10% bleach and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you cover up all your orifices, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, wear a mask, wear, gloves, double gloves if necessary, and wear some sort of protective clothing.
That was Dr. Pyle Coley. The CDPHE says the risk to the general public right now remains low, and the investigation they have is going on. Now, if you spot rodent droppings or even a dead rodent in your home or in your garage, health officials say do not sweep or vacuum that because it can spread that virus into the air. Colton Chavez, 9 News.